Okay, so this is the Logitech G915 keyboard. I don't know why my camera is so blurry. It doesn't normally look like that, but anyway. This is the wired one. The 815 is wired, the 915 is wireless. One thing I don't like is the wire is super thick for no reason. And it's obviously kind of stuck in there, so you're limited to where, like how far you can move the actual keyboard. But they only have tactile in this white color as far as I know. So this is what it sounds like. So it's loud, but not like ridiculously loud. And then you can change the color features. I think I didn't really touch mine too much, so I don't know what these different settings, I don't think these are set to anything specific, but you can change the brightness. And then the way you change the color is from the Logitech. They have like an application that I can show you as well, so you can get an idea of how adjustable, not adjustable, but like customizable it is. So this is what it looks like. So I would click on the keyboard. Okay, that's really big. So it's blurry, but you can see you can change the effects. So let's say I want ripple, because I do like ripple. And it makes it like do that, which I think this is the prettiest. I don't know, that's my favorite. You need to do that. But you can also change what color the background is before you click on it. So like, let's say I want it to be red. So it stays red until I click, then it goes into different colors. And then it also, you can change the rate of it. So you want it really slow. That's just showing you how slow it is. It'll go slow like that. Or let's say if I wanted to change it all the way up, I'll actually grab it. So it's like really fast. But there's a bunch of other settings as well. So for example, we can do breathing, where it just kind of like goes on and off like that. Or we can do echo press. I don't really know what that is. Oh, okay, so it's like where you do that. That's cool. And of course you can always change the color of that too. Let's say I want it to stay white, but then it changes to, I don't know, green or whatever. So then it's like, it's pretty cool, and then it fades out back after a while. Yeah, so that's like some of the many different options that they have, and then you can always do this freestyle thing where you change whatever you want for the different keys. And then I guess there's some sort of animations one where they can do that. Obviously there's lightning, which looks like it's light and dark blues. Ocean wave, which just looks like it's like the water coming out from the ocean. That's pretty cool as well. Red, white, and blue, if you're feeling patriotic. And vertical, which I guess it does that. I don't know, green and purple, whatever that's supposed to be. But yeah, you can always change the different things from here, and then have your presets, so each different key like corresponds to whatever you want it to do. And there's something called game mode, where you can make it like disable certain keys that you don't want it to press during the game, obviously, and then you go to game mode from this key. Yeah, overall I think it's a really good keyboard, but I just don't like that this wire is so fat. It's kind of makes the setup look ugly, and I know I haven't really done too much with my wires yet, or my cords. I just got all this stuff set up. But volume control is like a little slider thingy, You can see if it wouldn't be like 2 pixels, you'd be able to see that. Yeah, I think it's a pretty cool keyboard overall. And this is the full version, by the way. There's a TKL, I think, which gets rid of the numbers part. But this one I think is good for my purposes. So yeah.